What's up, everyone? So I'm going to be tearing this old carpet out of this teacher's lounge and installing new carpet tile planks on a herringbone pattern. The existing carpet is installed over 9x9 tiles which do contain asbestos. The goal is to remove the carpet while doing the least amount of disturbance to the VCT floor that's underneath. Some of these tiles will be loose and come up. They've been down since the 1950s, so it is expected. Well, let's get started pulling up this carpet. This room is roughly 1,500 square feet, so pretty big room. In a room like this, I like to take my knife and cut the carpet in half. It just makes it easier to work with. Next, I cut the carpet into small strips and tear the carpet out strip by strip. It's a long process, but probably the easiest and safest way to remove glue-down carpet over an old asbestos floor. Obviously, having the floor abated is the best scenario. A lot of times that doesn't happen because of budgets. If you came in with a tear-out machine or carpet puller, you're going to have tiles flying all over the place and you're going to create a big mess. That's a no-no when doing this, especially in a school. While it's going to be impossible not to disturb any of the tiles, it's not going to be impossible to minimize the damage. That's why I like cutting it into strips. After we get the carpet removed, or in this case an area of it, we can start with the floor prep. I'm going to have to scrape down the old carpet adhesive and scrape up what carpet backing I can off this tile. Since I'm scraping over asbestos tile, I am using a dull scraper blade. I'm also making sure not to scrape into the tile. Next, I have to patch in the areas where the old tiles were loose and came up. Large areas I'll patch in with VCT, and smaller areas I'll just fill in with floor patch. Then we will need to skim coat over the existing floor a couple times to kill the old adhesive residue. The goal is to get rid of the old adhesive tackiness and also give us a nice flat solid surface to work with. After my first coat of patches dry, I'll scrape down any ridges I see on the floor and then give it a second coat. After the second coat is dry, I will scrape and hand sand any high spots or ridges I see in the patch. Then give the floor a sweep. Since asbestos tiles are underneath the patch, we do not want to take a floor sander and sand this floor. Big no-no. After we are happy with our floor prep, we can get started on our layout for the herringbone, then start our install.